really. I'm up here, man. I'm talking. I need to come up here to talk to the expert.
Right.
You know, that's why I'm up here.
Good morning. We out here doing it up. We got our guy Brandon, the mentor, one of our YouTube game spitters that coached us up a little bit, gave us a little thought process. He have probably 78,000 subscribers, so he definitely was giving us a little knowledge that we ate off of. And he also chose our shop, God be the glory, to come in and build a project for him. He had some custom work done to the 85. You guys seen the vehicle. He already dropped it off to us. We got some new updates, want to kind of highlight real quick for you guys and kind of show you what the project kind of came in for. And we run into this a lot. When you're going into the bigger rim, sometimes he wanted to go with a 26. He was actually debating a 24 or a 26, and I actually understand the psychology that went into that thought process. Like with a 24, he wouldn't have had to cut as much. However, when the car came into us, if you check out the back side of the frame, it was already cut. So once it was already cut, if it wasn't cut at that point, I probably would have stayed with the 24 logic. My mindset is once you cut it, why not give you everything that you want? If you're willing to cut it, I'm gonna give you a 26. We're gonna take you on step by step. I am an authorized dealer of Forgiato, one of my rim choices of brands. And he went with a 26. It's a new wheel. It has a couple attributes to the rim because we are gonna take the rim and add our own color to it. We ordered the rim all chrome for that reason. I always order rim chrome. I can add my own color to it, my own color scheme, but the back part of it that I still want to be chrome will have that chrome. So that's why I always order mine chrome. For the guys that like the brushed aluminum look, cool. Kudos to you. I like it all chrome, and then I can add my own color to it. So you'll see how that goes. We're doing a full suspension upgrade as well as all of the upper and lower control arms. We're gonna go aftermarket with the bigger rims. It's gonna give us more camber to kind of align those tires to get it standing straight up how you want, and it won't wear, kind of prematurely in the wrong areas. Also, we're gonna have the adjustable rear trailing arms to give us the position that we need, being that we already got such tight quarters to kind of fit this 32-inch tire in. So we got our work set out for us, but this is gonna be a nice one. The outside exterior, we're gonna add a little badging and a little touch. He did like the yellow scheme, the yellow and black scheme that he have. So we're just gonna add more to his vision and kind of add our own VTSV Auto touch. So stay tuned. I want to take you guys inside, show you these rims, show you how they look. I'm a fan of the big cap. If you've seen the 30s on the truck, all the Monte Carlo followers, y'all stay tuned, man. We got some coming for you real sweet. But I first off, Body by Vic, the dealer Forgiato. Better believe it. But let's go ahead and give y'all a teaser, man. I don't want y'all to tell nobody. Keep this between me and you. I love how Forgiato kind of sends the wheels in. Like they have the protective plastic on top of them. So even when you look at it with the plastic, it kind of it still looks good. But man, when you pull that plastic off, oh man, that chrome band. So nice rim. It's one of Forgiato's newer faces. Me, when if I'm finna spend my money on a brand new set of rims, give me a brand new rim. Don't give me a rim that was made 6 years ago. No shade. If you buying a used rim, cool. I have been at that point in my life of being in cars too. But one of my homeboys bought a rim, brand new, same price what it cost for a brand new rim, because it's a custom made rim. They got to make it one off, but it was an older face. Some people got to go through that experience to kind of get the advice that you're trying to give them. Hindsight, he was like, yeah, Vic, I probably should have ordered a new one. So this is a new face, one of their latest rims. They have a nice little contours that we like, where we can add the black and yellow color to the scheme of the car. he liked the big open windows where we could showcase the new brakes. We're definitely gonna do an upgrade, not only on the suspension on this car, but also on the brakes too. So stay tuned, guys. If you wanna see it done good, the right way, come to VTSV Auto, man. Justin gonna lace y'all with these videos. It's going down, baby. Stay tuned.